Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain what is class in Java and how to create a class and what is object and how to create a object. So first, what is class in Java? Class is nothing but a collection of variables and methods in a single unit is nothing but a class. So class is a logical existence. Whenever we create a class, there is no memory is allocated for variables and methods. When we create an object for that class, then memory is allocated for variables and methods. So in other words, we can say that class is nothing but a blueprint. So this is the syntax of the class. The class is a keyword. This is the class name, and here we are declaring one variable, data type, variable name, and a return type, method name. So this is the example of class. Here we have a class called account. In this class we have a two variables into balance double amount, and also I have a two methods. So void deposit balance equal to balance plus amount, and void withdraw balance equal to balance minus amount. So next coming to object. So what is object in Java? Object is nothing but a physical existence of a class. It has a state and behavior. When we create a object of a class, the memory is allocated for variables and methods. So this is the syntax of the class: class name, object name, new class name. So this is the example of class. Here I am going to create the object of account class account. So this is the account is nothing but a object of account class equal to new account. So this new operator is used to create the object of the account class. Now I am going to show you the practically how we can create the class and how we can create the object of the class. So I am going to create the class. I am going to create the class. Just to go to Eclipse. So in this com.java.java basics project, select the new tab, select the class, give the class name is account, and select the main method and click on finish. Now the class is created. Just to remove the comments. So here I am declaring the two variables, balance, and I am assigning balance to 1000, and also I am going to take one more variable amount assigning to 200. So here I am going to take one method deposit. So balance equal to balance plus amount. So system.out.println balance. Now I am going to take one more method void withdraw. So here balance equal to balance minus amount, and I am going to write a system.out.println. I am printing balance. In this main method, I am going to create the object of class. Just to create object account equal to account. This is the object name. So new account. I am going to call the deposit method and withdraw method. just call deposit and withdraw. Now I'm going to run the program, run as Java application. So here we can see first 1000 plus 200 equal to 1200. So here we are adding the balance plus amount. Here we are getting the 1200. Now withdraw method we are subtract the amount from the balance. So balance initially this balance is here we are getting the 1200. 1200 plus 200 equal to 1000. Here we are printing the 1000 in withdraw method. So friends, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.